How do meninges protect the brain? Imagine your brain as a precious gem inside a jewelry box. The meninges are like the soft padding, sturdy walls, and protective layers that keep that gem safe from harm. They are three membranes that surround your brain and spinal cord, providing more than just a barrier. These layers are called the dura mater, arachnoid mater, and pia mater, and each has a special role in keeping your nervous system healthy. The outermost layer, the dura mater, is like a tough, thick cover made of strong tissue. It sticks closely to the inside of your skull, acting like a helmet that shields your brain from bumps and knocks. It also helps keep your brain in place, preventing it from moving around too much when you suddenly stop or shake your head. Plus, the dura mater has channels that drain blood away from your brain, helping keep the circulation smooth and balanced. Beneath that is the arachnoid mater, a thin, web-like layer that acts like a cushion. It forms a loose sac around the brain, and between it and the next layer is the subarachnoid space filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid is like a shock absorber, protecting your brain from sudden impacts and jolts. It also helps remove waste and bring nutrients to your brain tissue. The arachnoid membrane also controls what substances can pass between the cerebrospinal fluid and your blood, helping keep the environment around your brain stable. The innermost layer, the pia mater, is very delicate and hugs every curve and fold of your brain. It is full of tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients directly to the brain tissue. By sticking closely to the brain's surface, the pia mater helps keep the brain's surface intact and supports the tiny, fragile neural structures inside. All these layers work together to form a protective shell around your brain. They shield it from physical injuries by acting as multiple barriers. They support and stabilize the blood vessels that nourish your brain, ensuring it gets enough oxygen and gets rid of waste. The cerebrospinal fluid they contain cushions your brain, reducing the impact of sudden movements or blows. And they create potential spaces that doctors can use to diagnose or treat injuries or diseases. So, in simple words, the meninges are like a multi-layered safety net. They protect your brain from physical damage, support its blood supply, and keep the environment just right for your nervous system to work properly. Without these layers, your brain would be much more vulnerable to injury and damage.